first few bad words that I learned when I moved to this country was pokpok. You see, idol kita eh. Social ka, pero naghirap ka. You'd still be my idol kasi maganda ka. Kaso lang, madali kang makuha.
Hindi na kita guguluhin. Marinig ko lang na pinapatawad mo ako. Tanggapin mo na yung apology ko, please.
Never! Walang kapatawaran ang ginawa mo sa kuya ko. Actually, I think I should say thank you.
For what?
For being a true friend. For being there for me.
Okay, take up your robe, please. Abby, take off your robe.
Oh my God! After ng video scandal, ito naman nangyari ngayon. What a follow-up, ah.
Ano na ba latest ngayon?
May bago ka na naman bang video kasama isang older woman, Jigo?
Hanggang ngayon ba? Issue pa rin yan?
Wow, issue lang pala yun sa'yo.
Oh my God! Cover girl na si Abby!
Mag-aartista din kaya siya?
Sasabi niya, she's a Viva Hot Babes.
Puro ka talaga kamanyakan.
Dami natin na inom, grabe yun.
Ang dami nun. Pare, makas naman ulit sa kama mo, ha? Hindi ko na kaya umuwi talaga.
Sige, kaso siksikan tayo sa kama.
Okay lang.
Anong problema sa akin yun?
Ayos. Sige, pare, tutulog na ako. Ginagawa mo?
Jake.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Jake.
You have entered the most fabulous online community for the younger generation. Get ready to surf, sink, and dive into the lives of the rich and infamous teens of the city's elite. Welcome to the unofficial website of Linden High. This is Lip Gloss.
So fab, my life so chic, so glam, so fab. Living a lot of luxury, so fab. Getting what I want when I want, so fab. Hurry up, I can know and go enjoy the fab. The fab, my life so fab, so fab. The fab, my life so fab, so fab. The fab, my life so fab, so fab. The fab, my life so fab. Ooh, Prada, Blanique, Pitan and all that hype. I'm living the so-called GLAM life. Riding the best, cause cruising roads so wide. And this the best, my life is oh so fab. My life so chic, so glam, so fab. Living a lot of luxury, so fab. Getting what I want when I want, so fab. Hurry up, I can know and go enjoy the fab.
Hi, Meg. Kamusta si Kuya? Si Tito Jim, kapatid ni Daddy.
Sige. Tito Jim, stable na daw siya sabi ng doctors. Pero kagabi nagka-spasm siya. And kaya lang hindi pa siya gumigising eh.
Don't worry, Meg. Baka buhay-buhay lang ang katawan niya sa tulog para maka-iipon ng lakas. Let's just pray that bumalik agad ang consciousness niya. Importante, stable na siya.
Nakausap ko si Daddy last night. He was so worried. He really wanted to fly back here from New York, kaya lang he couldn't get tickets. At least now, hindi masyadong mag-worry si Daddy.
Sana magising na siya.
Thanks for taking care of me, Kuya, ha?
Wala yun. Kung hindi rin naman dahil sa akin, hindi mangyayari to eh.
Don't blame yourself, Meg.
I can't help it. Nagigilty ako eh.
Mabuti pa, Meg, pumasok ka na. I think staying in this hospital too long is affecting your spirits. Sige na. Baka marami pang mamiss na mga classes mo. Sige na.
Okay po. Okay. Bye, sige. Bye, Tita Jem.
Meg?
Edge!
Kuya, you're awake!
Edge, sobrang nag-alala ako. Akala ko hindi ka na magigising.
Hindi pwede yan. I don't like the feeling of missing you. Naramdaman kita the whole time. Unconscious ako pero I felt you here with me.
I didn't want to leave you. Hindi ko kayang mawala ka.
Hindi ako aalis. And thank you. Thank you for not leaving my side. I survived dahil nandito ka.
Nice pick, Abby. Kailan lalabas sa magazine?
What?
It's on the net, Abby.
Nag-text sa akin si Ziggy. Stable and conscious na raw si Edge. Gusto na nga daw mag-swimming eh.
Astig talaga yun si Edge, no? Kaka-recover lang sa sakit. Gusto na kaagad mag-exercise.
I'm sure kapag nakita ni Edge yung sexy pic ni Abby, mas lalo siyang lalakas.
Ang hot na hot talaga ni Abby doon, no? Grabe. Nagmana talaga siya sa kaseksiyan ng mami.
Hay nako, tigilan niyo na nga yan tapuhan yung dalawa. It's time to celebrate and be happy. Okay na nga si Edge eh. Plus, my birthday is coming up. I'm so excited!
Eh, alam mo na ba yung theme ng birthday party mo?
Yes, it's gonna be a costume party. We're all gonna dress up as vampires.
Vampira? Okay ka lang?
Why? What's wrong with that? Unique nga eh. Maganda siya, tsaka uso, ala Twilight, diba?
Luis, may escort ka na.
Hello? Hindi naman yung debut, no? She's turning 14, not 18.
May gusto nga din ako maging escort eh. Kaya lang, I'm so shy to ask him.
Alam ko na kung sino yan.
Yung anak ng driver nyo! Tama?
Ziggy, kamusta si Edge?
He's okay na. Conscious na siya, thank God.
Mabuti naman. At least ngayon makakahinga na tayo ng maluwag. Nakita ko nga si Meg kanina eh.
Yeah, nakita kami kanina sa hospital. We were so relieved and happy nung nagising na si Kuya.
That's really good to hear. Eh, ikaw? How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. I was worried about you.
Well, you don't need to worry anymore. I'm okay.
Yeah.
I gotta go because I'm gonna be late for class. But thanks, Kyle.
Yeah. See you around.
Is this true? Did you pose for Milkshake magazine?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, Miss Rickson? Why did you do that?
I'm starting a modeling career po kasi, ma'am.
But why pose for this kind of magazine?
It's the fastest and easiest way, ma'am.
Hindi kita maintindihan, Abby. Why are you doing this to yourself? First the sex video, and now posing for a men's magazine.
With all due respect, ma'am, hindi niyo po alam ang nangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon. At alam ko that if you found out what was going on, maiintindihan niyo rin ako.
Try me.
It's between me and my mom. Ayaw kitang mabore sa drama ng buhay ko.
Well, may I remind you, Miss Abby Rickson, that Linden High has rules and regulations. We have high standards. Sa pag-pose mo sa magazine, nilabag mo ang code of ethics ng school. There will be repercussions.
Repercussions?
You might get kicked out of the school.
Last meeting topic natin about peer pressure. Hindi natin napatuloy yon. Kaya ngayon, uulitin ko lang, yung peer pressure, isa yan sa nagdadagdag ng stress sa mga teenagers like you. Lalo na ngayon.
Earth to Kyle. Hello? Are you with us?
Ba't hindi ka nakikinig sa discussions natin?
Oo nga. This is so unlike you.
Tingin niyo okay kung ligawan ko si Ziggy?
I knew it. Only love can distract you from your studies.
Ay, naku, Kyle. Hindi ka mo na naliligawan si Ziggy. Hindi mo nga lang sinasabi sa kanya. Kaya hindi ka pa niya sinasagot.
Oo nga. Sige ka. If you don't act fast, baka bumalik siya kay Maui.
Anong gagawin ko?
Eddie, do something romantic. Yung kilig to the bones.
Eh, ano bang kilig to the bones romantic para kay Ziggy?
Giveaway naman masyado kung kami pa magsasabi sa'yo, no?
Oo nga. Sige, we'll help you out. Pero, ikaw na bahala mag-research, no?
Sige. Where do I start?
Ziggy, pwede ba tayo mag-usap?
We have nothing to talk about. Go away.
Sige na. Kukumustahin ko lang naman si Edge eh.
Pwede ba? Don't pretend to be concerned with my kuya just to get my sympathy. That's so low. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, my brother wouldn't drink, get drunk, fight with Meg, and into an accident.
Ziggy, I'm sorry.
I don't need your apology. I need you to get out of my life.
Solid, sexy Abby.
What's happening to Abby?
But in fairness to her, bro, she looks good.
She's crazy and the disgrace sa school natin.
Let's change the topic. Ziggy, wala ba talagang chance para magbati kayo ni Maui?
How could I forgive someone I really hate?
Grabe. Iba ka pala magalit. Medyo scary. Naku, patay. Isa na namang kaaway.
Sige, control your anger, ha?
Oo nga. Wala pa naman mga bouncer dito para pigilan ko eh.
Okay, I'll try to be good. Pok-pok.
Ziggy!
Sorry, my brother almost died dahil sa pok-pok na yan.
Abby! Abby, wait!
Jake, huwag mo na subukan pag-aanin ng loob ko, okay? Sayang lang yung effort mo. Nothing can ever make me feel good right now.
Meron. Mahayaan mo lang ako. Let me take away your pain.
Paano?
Let me love you.
You don't deserve me, Jake. Tama nga si Ziggy. Na mapokpok.
Hindi ka pokpok.
I slept with Edge. I bared my body for all the world to see. I think that makes me the biggest pokpok of the school.
Abby, magtiwala ka sa akin.
Wala lang akong tiwala kahit kanino. I don't trust my mom. Hell, I don't even trust myself. Kaya layuan mo na ako kasi you really deserve someone better.
Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Gonna camp in my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my head saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to hand me money, but they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I know it makes no sense, but what else can I do? And how can I move on when I'm still in love with you? 'Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking maybe you'll come back here to the place that beat me, and you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving.
Ano kaya? Any luck?
Siguro naman alam mo na yung idea ni Ziggy for a romantic date. Hello, ilang beses mo na kaya dinaanan yung Friendster account niya?
Pati yung multiply niya, yung MySpace niya, yung Facebook niya.
Hindi, alam ko na. Alam ko na talaga. Simple lang naman eh. Ang gusto niya, maligo sa ulan with a man of her dreams na silang dalawa lang. Tapos doon magpro-profess yung lalaki ng pagmamahal niya sa kanya.
Good luck sa'yo. Paano ka gagawa ng ulan?
At paano niyo masusola ang ulan? Nako, makipag-negotiate ka na kay Bathala.
Hirap nga naman nun. Anong gagawin ko?
If you really want her, gagawa ka ng paraan. Uy, andiyan na si Julie B. Kanina pa natin siya hinihintay. Teka, yun ba yung driver nila?
Oo nga, no? Di ba kasi Julie V ang anak niyan?
Julie V!
Julie V!
Eh,
Hi,
Sa,
Chico.
dito ka muna.
Hi, Luna.
Ma'am, ito pong bag niyo.
Oo nga pala, thank you.
Oh my God! Is that the anak ng driver that we've been hearing so much about? Like father, like son?
Siya ba? Ha? Ang ano? Yung crush mo? Hindi ano ka ba? Pinsan siya ng crush ko. Ihatid lang siya ni Manong driver sa pier kasi pupunta na siyang province. Ano ka ba? Cute yung anak ng driver namin, no?
Tsakang tatay, tsakang pinsan. Sure ka ba cute yung crush niya?
What?
Julie V, Julie V, Julie V, Julie V. Kasi kami na lang bahala humusga pag nakita na namin siya, okay?
Di bale, makikita naman namin dyan sa birthday party mo, di ba?
Yes, just wait for my birthday. Kasi lahat kayo makukyutan sa kanya. Including you boys.
Sigurado ka? Kami?
Oh.
Ano bang problema mo?
Walang problema.
Pag hindi ka tumigil ng kakasunod sa akin, ibubuo ko sekreto mo.
Huwag ka naman ganyan. Gusto lang naman kita mausap ng masinsinan eh. Please.
Pwes, lubayan mo ako.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit down.
Ma'am, nakikiusap po ako. Please don't kick me out. Hindi naman po ako nag-post ng nude. I know that it's daring, but it was done naman in good taste, right?
Abby, ang school board ang nagdedesisyon sa mga bagay na yan.
School board? Nagdesisyon?
Yes. Nakarating na sa kanilang pag-post mo sa magazine. I've already consulted your case with them. And they've already made a decision. The board has decided to expel you from the school. I'm sorry.
Totoo bang chismis?
Anong chismis?
Pokpok girl becomes kick-out queen.
I'm sorry. Pero kailangan ko talaga gawin yun para magising ka na. I'm really sorry about your brother, okay? Wala namang may gusto na mangyari yun sa kanya eh. And whether you believe it or not, neither do I. Oh, and just in case na wala pang nagsasabi sa'yo, hindi lang ako ang nakipag-sex kay Edge. Pati ang kuya mo nakipag-sex sa akin. Dalawa kaming gumawa nun. It takes two to tango, sweetie. Maybe that does make me a pokpok. But at least this pokpok really knows what's going on. You're fighting the wrong battle, little sister. Advice lang. If you don't stop what you're doing now, you're gonna end up just like me. Kaya mag-isip-isip ka, Little Miss Abby Jr.
Ziggy. Ziggy, naiintindihan ko ang galit mo. Pero kailangan mo na itigil tong ginagawa mo kay Abby.
You're on her side?
Ziggy, hindi.
Then why are you more concerned about her?
No, I'm concerned about you. This is not you, Ziggy. I remember you as someone who's sweet and caring, romantic. Pero itong nakikita ko ngayon na sobrang galit, na nananakit ng tao.
Did I deserve it? I deserved it. Ayokong aminin, pero Abby's right. Mali siya for slapping me. Pero tama siya for waking me up. May sunog?
Let's go.
Meg?
Oh, bakit di ka nagpapahinga? Baka magkalagnat ka na naman.
I feel good. Parang di nga ako galing sa sakit eh. Wait lang, parang wala akong boses?
Hindi, wala na puyat kasi ako kagabi. Pero wala lang to.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You know what? Parang all of a sudden, I have this surge of energy. I think I may be inspired.
Inspired by what?
Inspired by you.
Wala ka talaga.
Hindi. In fact, may papakita nga ako sa'yo. Come. Wait lang. Sit down.
Ikaw gumawa nito?
Yeah, that's what I've been doing the whole day. Kinuha ko yung mga magagandang pictures natin sa laptop ko. Tapos, in-edit ko with some of our favorite songs. And there.
Aww.
So, do you like it?
Edge. I love it. Thank you.
Sabi ko sa'yo, inspired ako sa'yo.
Bakit tayo nandito? Oh my God, mababasa tayo. Let's go! What's going on, Kyle?
Ziggy, I researched na one of the most romantic things para sa'yo ay ang mabasa ng ulan. With a special guy. Tapos doon niya i-confess sa'yo how he really feels about you. Hindi ko kayang gumawa ng ulan. Pero, sana okay na to. Ziggy, I've been in love with you since the first time I took a video of you.
So much was missing when you went away. Let's start from here, lose the past, change our minds. We don't need a finish line. Let's take this chance, don't think too deep. And all those promises we couldn't seem to keep. I don't care where we go. Let's start from here.
Bad trip. Ano problema ng coaching to?
Jake, problema sa kotse? Gusto mo, atid lang kita.
No thanks. Kaya ko itong paanda rin.
Mahirapan ka paanda rin yan kung wala to.
Kinuha mo ba yun sa kotse ko?
Jake, kailangan natin mag-usap.
Kaya mo sinira yan? Baliw ka na ba?
Tuluyan ako mababaliw pag di tayo nag-usap.
Bayan mo na ako.
Jake, kailangan natin pag-usapan to. Di mo pwede iwasan forever.
Lalakad na lang ako pauwi kaysa kausapin ka.
Pati the book that I wanted to buy, binili ni Kyle.
Ikaw lang ang tanging babaeng minahal ko. Maaaring di mo ako mapatawad ngayon, pero sinisigurado ko, kapag wala nang galit sa puso mo, ako pa rin ang mamahalin mo.
Dark Child forever.
Just like a shadow, I'll be beside you. I'll be your comfort. I'm there to guide you home. I will provide you a place of shelter. I wanna be your zone. Tell me what you wanted me to do. I'll make it great to be a man with a woman who can stand on every promise given, making vows to please a man. Oh, oh, oh. If I could be your angel, protect you from the pain, I'll keep you safe from danger, from danger. You'll never hurt again. No more, I'll be yours. I'm gonna be yours. I'll be your angel.
Kuya, isa Isa lang strawberry margarita, please. Thank you.
Are you drunk? Gusto mo ba ng kasama? Isang beer at dalawa pang order. You want me to take you home?
You can take me to hell if you want.
Oh, I won't take you to hell. Dadaling kita sa langit.
Wherever is fine with me, really. Cheers. Thanks for the drink. Let's go.
Hello? Tita Jessica? Wala po dito si Abby. Ha? Umalis at hindi nagpaalam? Sandali lang po, Tita Jessica. Baka si Abby po to. Hindi, Tita. Hindi po si Abby. Okay po, don't worry. Hanapin ko po siya. Bye-bye. Umalis ka na dito. Kung hindi, papagulpi kita sa mga bodyguards ng daddy ko.
Jake, please. Give me 5 minutes.
Hindi ako nagbibiro. Umalis ka na.
Sabihin ko sa'yo saan si Abby.
Grabe. Mamiss ko tong chips na to. I hate hospital food.
Pero paano yan? Puro sugar tsaka MSG yung kinakain natin. Baka magkasakit ka na naman.
Hindi yan. Besides, I like sugar and MSG. They're good.
Ay nako. Baka hindi tayo makatulog nito kasi puro sugar and chemicals yung kinakain natin.
Fine by me. Puro tulog na kaya ako sa hospital.
Ay, anong gagawin natin kung hindi tayo makatulog?
I don't know. Do you have any ideas?
Well, we can just do nothing.
Brilliant idea. Let's just hang out. Okay?
Ano pa bang gusto mo sa akin?
Jake, hindi naman ako bumalik dito para guluhin ang buhay mo eh. Balik ako dito para sa sarili kong katahimikan. Para sabihin sa'yo yung totoo. Jake, I just needed to tell you that I love you. I've always been in love with you.
Why did you have to love me? Alam mo kung hindi mo naman ako minahal, hindi naman tayo magkakaganito eh. Sana hanggang ngayon, magkaibigan pa rin tayo.
Jake, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko naman pwedeng pigilan yung nararamdaman ko. Mahal nga kita. Alam mo, sana wag mo lang akong parusahan for loving you.
Hindi kita pinaparusahan. Pinarusahan mong sarili mo.
I know that we could never be together. Ever. Pero, sapat na sa akin yung sinabi ko sa'yo. Pero sana matanggap mo na may taong talagang nagmamahal sa'yo. Lalaki nga lang.
Hindi naman ako galit sa'yo eh. Hindi ako galit sa'yo dahil bakla ka.
Bakit mo ko iniiwasan all this time? Bakit parang diring-diri ka sa akin?
Galit ako sa'yo kasi niloko mo ako. You betrayed my trust. Nawalan ako ng kaibigan nun. Ikaw lang kaibigan ko ng mga panahon na yun. Tapos, bigla ka pang nawala.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jake. Sobrang nag-guilty lang talaga ako sa ginawa ko. Hindi nga ako matahimik eh. Kaya nga bumalik ako dito para makipag-ayos sa'yo. Sana matanggap mo yung apology ko. I hope you can forgive me. I understand. Mahirap talagang patawarin yung ginawa ko sa'yo. Pero, sana, balang araw, patawad mo ako. At least nasabi ko sa'yo ang dapat kong sabihin.
Napatawad na kita. Napatawad na kita, Alex.
Salamat. Salamat, Jake. Jake, tama na si Abby. Nandun siya sa Jack's Bar. Papakalasing. Tahan mo na yun. Baka may masama pa mangyari dun.
Thanks. Thanks for letting me go. And thank you for loving me. But if you really love yourself, pakawalan mo sarili mo. Sabihin mo yung totoo.
Huwag kang gagalaw.
Bakit?
May crumbs ka sa lips. Wait lang. Mag, I have a question for you. Are we together na?
Tayo na? Yes! Yes!
Yes, tayo na.
I thought pa you were going to take me home.
Hindi kita sa langit, diba?
Sige na, huwag ka na maarte. I just said I don't want!
Palaban ka, ha?
Ayaw! I'm so happy!
Iwan mo siya! Abby.
Jake, buti dumating ka. Thank you for saving me.
Mula ngayon, wala nang mananakit sa'yo. Papatayin kung sino mananakit sa'yo.
Hello, Jessica. Yes, I'm looking at her on the cover. She seems like a good investment. Don't worry, I'll take care of her. And you, of course.
Good evening, Linden High. My name is Alex Blaza, and I'm gay.
Porn star ang tawag sa akin. Lahat ng tao sa school. Pokpok to the less cultured. I'm not gonna be able to finish school in time, tapos bastusin pa ako sa bar because of a stupid pictorial.
Hindi sumasagot si Jico. Tapos, si Kyle naman, tumawag na hindi na daw makakarating. Flop ang party ko!
Andito naman kami.
Happy birthday.
Hindi ba tayo magsasayaw?
Let's relish the moment muna.
Okay, fine by me.
Hi, Edge. What a happy coincidence.
Sarah? What are you doing here?
Didn't you get my message?
What message?
Who is she?
So fab, my life's so chic, so glam, so fab. Living a love, a luxury, so fab. Getting what I